say it's like, I was going to take in the main street, we used to do it years ago, but it's not going to happen. Essentially, we're going to do like, if you get hit, take a knee, teammate capture, back in.
So is it basically just like this arena play?
You're trying to touch their wall, they're trying to touch your wall.
Oh, right, okay.
Yeah.
Alright, we're not doing the puck thing.
I better see you down there. Speed softer.
It's my old motocross jersey.
Oi, oi. Fucking hell. Well, that was a good slide.
It's better when it's flat.
Okay, let's go.
It's really simple.
Stress on the brain, complain to the fool. Stress on the brain, complain to the max. I'm gonna swap for big money stacks. Top tens on platinum platinum, got no need for a chain of attack. I'm a rude red and garden back. Got this game in my hand like that. Got this game in my hand, these rules. Unstoppable, make up where relax. I take two for the dudes and jacks. We make money off albums, that's coming up face it, let's all face facts. Maybe put hacks and tracks. What's that? I'm invisible to all this fake cat. Yo, maybe put hacks like that. Stress on the brain, complain to the max. Stress on the brain, complain, but I know. Gotta get money, gotta get a lot of gold. No listen to G for a show, ain't got no luck for a hack. I'm a whole new things, I think with girls on the law. I get around new ways in the go, and I know I get around new ways in the rush. Can't stop me, I won't in a hush. 3MP, I make my rock blush. When I come to the top, you can't put in never check. Get lost, I got back to life been rough. Gritty, life ain't been too pretty, far from buff. So now I'm up to the end of the spot.
One down. One down. I'm sorry, bud.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect.
Can't be back in. Oh shit, hey! Oh shit, John! You're just shooting the dick, John! I'm so sorry! Oh, that's free. Oh, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry, Josh. What do we do? Just rush to there? So what do we do now? Do we just play how we keep playing? Another out.
I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe trying to protect your soul.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Sorry. When you go and touch a wall.
Dead man, watch the hands! Battery's dying. I thought I got it. Ow! Ow! I didn't feel the touch.
Your mate touched your back.
Oh, am I still out there?
Yeah.
I didn't have to feel your touch.
I put your hand through.
Ah.
Town to town, from London to Taiwan, I've been all around the globe.
I shot. I'm fit. We've come for a 9-inch pizza.
Hey.
Because having 9 inches is actually beneficial, isn't it?
You still acting on me. Remember she was on me, now she acting sorry. But still I ain't get my money, still I ain't get my money. Still I ain't get my money, still I ain't get my money. You still acting funny, you still acting on me. Remember you was on me, now you acting sorry. But still I ain't get my money, still I ain't get my
Play whatever you want. Hey, blue! Oh, to the rogue! Can we attack you, baby? Oh, fucking hit! Straight ahead. Hey. Go. Blue. Yep. So you try to go upstairs, I think. Hey, stop! He's down. your videos? Is that longer than everyone else's?
You're goddamn right.
Yeah, about 20 minutes. Everyone else's is 3 or 4 minutes, yours is 12. I made like a 20-minute D23 video last time, so you want the end.
What do you got to do? You got to get the thumbnail and then shoot them in the ball.
Yeah, just shoot afterwards. One down, one down, one down, one down. That's clear, clear, clear. Blue, blue. Okay. Blue, blue, push through on the lights. Flash is blue, blue. Oh, blue, blue, blue. Upstairs, watch it go. Window. Green window. One down. Right, that'll be a spawn trap, I think, so we just push back from here. That might be a spawn trap there, so I don't know if we can stay there. Oh, fuck! Alright, there, man.
I don't like that camera.
Hey, push up. Step man. Stop it.
Marshall said I can be back now.
What the fuck is this? Don't move. Oh, that hurt. Oh, I'm so sorry. Are you red? Are you red? Oh, sorry I got you in the face, buddy. Sorry. Watch yourself. Watch yourself, Blue. Yeah, Blue. Watch yourself. Straight ahead, down bottom. Oh, we got. Oh, sorry. Hey, man. Which one is it? Oh, what the fuck? I've never seen that in my life.
Ty, shoot it.
Only broke a fucking few times.
What the fuck is that?
The tracer off patrol base.
I've never seen it.
Yes,
Go! Just mixed that. So sorry.
I'm already dead.
He's dead, he's dead. Where did I get you? Sorry, bud. Sorry, bud. Oh, are you friendly? Oh. Oh, wait a minute. Thought friendly fire there. I shit myself. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Hey. Welcome back to another one. Good shot. Hey man. Sorry man. Are you blue or red? Are you blue or red? Alright, friend. Oh, it's you. Sorry. I took 3 of them out. I took 3 out. We might be able to get a push. One down. Oh shit, sorry Marshals. Didn't mean you, sorry. Oh, action going on. Let's kick it off.
Can I do the video? Can I do the video?
Yeah.
Stop video.
You get the fucking end. Oh, wait for Connor. Right, Connor, you pinned him to the floor. Right, or did you go into him?
How about you grab him by the throat?
and then you two in the background, just over there, just pretend you're fighting each other, just looking like you're sort of like wall to wall cover. So one of you's behind that wall, and the other one looking like you're rushing to it there. It's gonna get a few still shots. There you go. All good? Nice.